Right, we're going to show you how to change the VTEC solenoid. I don't know how to change the VTEC. Tom, let's swap.
Hi, I'm Tom. VTEC solenoid. It's a common problem on these. It brings up an error. I'm going to put on the screen right now what the error code is, like P2646. Who cares, right? It's a problem. The worst thing is you get a VSA light, engine management light, doesn't have a 4K. It's a common problem. You can replace them, genuine, 200 notes. Monkeyz here. We're going to do an eBay one. First things first, take that off. This rubber thing that went all the way along there. You've then got 3 little clips here. 1, 2, 3. See one on that clip there, Matt? So you've got to take those off first, like so. Ideally take it off a bit nicer than that. You can disconnect all of that. I don't see the point. Next, we've got a bolt here and various bolts along there. Let me get them undone. Right, so we've got 10mm bolts. One at the top, one on the left, one on the right. And we've got ones at the back that you've also got to undo. They're a bit tricky to get to. Got this last little bit here, which holds in this cable, and that comes out. Job done. Right, the next thing is, your VTEC solenoid's on the back here. Check if it's leaking any oil whatsoever, because that can actually mean it's going to be the gasket, or it could be the sensor itself. Right, with the VTEC solenoid off, the main thing you're going to see down the back there is going to be 3 bolts, coming for a 10 or a 13, and then on this here, on one of these sides, I'm pretty sure it's that one, there's a little plastic clip. It looks like this, been replaced before. This was our problem. You also have a gasket in here, which can leak. It looks like that. Get that replaced with those 3 bolts, put new ones in. The torque settings are pretty low. I'll put them on the screen now. Put it all back together, and you've done it.